Alright, recording is now active. So, do we have any updates, Dragon or Zeke?
As far as the Centaur is
Uh,
in the process of being textured right now.
for progress on the story, me and Philip, we weren't able to meet today because accidentally I missed the meeting time because I was busy doing job searching at the time. But we are going to meet again next week.
Okay.
Okay, sounds good. And for my update this week, I haven't really been able to do much of anything. I've just gotten my legal stuff dealt with, and then been trying to set that up and all of that. So I haven't really had any time to really do much of anything studio wise. So I don't really have much of an update. Also, I wanted to say thank you everyone who is live with us and those who are also watching later.
Oh, one other question I had, Zeke.
Uh-huh.
Did you want any alpha designs on the Centaur's armor?
What do you mean?
Like, we've got the lion that's modeled into the Centaur, but did you want any other designs on it?
No, not really.
Okay.
Because I think like it's supposed, like with the whole lion and everything else, it gives off the the fierceness of what Centaur Knight's supposed to look.
Yeah, and then it's got that eagle on one shoulder.
Okay, so we said no to the alpha designs on armor, correct?
Yeah.
Awesome. Was there anything else we needed to go over in the recording this week, or are we waiting for the possibility of anybody else joining us? And seeing if they have an update.
I would say probably keep it going till about 9:30, but then after that, if no one else joins, then I'd say we're good. Unless
Sounds
there's
good.
something that we need to discuss that we haven't discussed yet. I did tell her possibility of one alpha, but that's uh, to accent the lion head. It wouldn't really be a different design, it would just be the lion head, just pushing the lion head design so you can see it better.
Yeah.
Because I'm afraid the metal of the texture for the armor might drown out some of the detail of the lion head. So, what's the next character after the Centaur that we need to work on?
The next character, I know that Marley was working on Code.
Yeah,
I
Marley.
believe, right. Let me check the list right quick.
Okay.
Because I know that Edwin should also be created, but I'm just checking the list just in case if like there was another person, well, another enemy type that needs to be looked
Yeah. Yeah, because if the Centaur is finally starting to come to a close, then I need to know what the next one is.
at. Feature list. That's what I'm looking for. The next one on the list should be. Let's see. No, I think I was wrong. Yeah, we can start on the warlock or the tree things or the elementals.
Okay. Now, do we already have a reference for what the warlock's supposed to look like?
Yes, we do.
Okay. Is that in that one document?
Yeah, I don't think I added the reference to like the order of characters needed list, but I do have the reference for the warlock. I'll put in the chat right now.
Okay. Oh. Now, on this one, is his face gonna show, or?
Not really. It will just be like you can see his elemental type through like the glow of his eyes and the glow of the color of the signals on the color scheme, similar to the purple one.
Okay. Okay, so once we get the Centaur completely done. Now, was there anything off of the other ones? Or, like, if I use the purple one, is there anything off of the other two that you want?
I was thinking like it will compared to like a wizard. I feel like a warlock is more armored based, so that's why I was thinking like for the second image, it will have like that armor strap around him and
Okay,
a gauntlet.
okay.
While
More like the purple one, but with the armor type of the second one.
correct,
Okay. And then anything from the third one.
and now that I look at it, I was thinking like like he'll have like the armor thing, but it will also look like he's has like certain like he's wearing robes around him.
Okay.
Yeah, because I like the color idea and the hood and the face and no seeing the face of the enemy. The reason I don't want the face to be shown is because more like these are generic enemies. If they like certain certain enemies, then we will have to see their face.
Yeah. Yeah, because these ones, if you're not seeing the face, you can change the color and move it to another area if need be, and it'll look like a different version of that type of image.
Right. And like what I wanted for like the third from the purple one, basically I just want like those types of glowing effects coming off of it for like any type of the like you could put it like with the ropes, like similar to like how uh sorry, I cannot for the life of me think of so to how Aaron did when he used the staff when he was changing the color of the staff.
Okay.
Yeah, because we're going to reuse the uh we're going to use reuse the I am so sorry. We're going to reuse the warlock model so we can change its color scheme to match the element of what type of warlock this is.
So, uh, with that being said, what if I were to model it like the second one, but with that mask that the purple one has, and then just add the color effects like the purple one?
That sounds perfect.
Okay, alright. That's what I was needing to know. So the model will look like the second one, but with the effects that the first one
Right.
had. Alright. And do you want that book that the second one has on his head?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
We can make it act like it's one of his weapons that he just pulls out just to chant his spells.
Okay.
When he tries like a heavy attack or something like that.
Yeah, spell tome.
Hmm?
There would be a spell tome.
Right.
Alright. Sounds good. Okay, I got the images saved on my drive. I will work on marking so that you know what we're doing on it.
All right.
And then
And
of course
I,
I'll be ready to model it once the sync work is done.
okay, sounds good. I think this weekend I'm going to work more on the. I'm gonna work more on the demo level while also writing out the next story for the next world as well.
So, is there anything else we need to discuss? Anyone?
Not that I can think of.
If everything's been discussed that needs to be discussed, we can go ahead and call it.
Alright, give me 1 second. Thank you everyone who joined us here tonight, both live and those who are also watching this later due to the recording. Sorry it was kind of a short and sweet one, but we hope to have a better and hopefully a little bit longer update session next time. Thank you all for your hard work, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.